let's do a few examples of calculating work. This person's going to push on a 500 kilogram block with a force of 20 newtons for 60 seconds. Now, before the person contacts the block, the only forces involved would be a weight for the block and a normal force from the ground. And those two things would be equal and opposite. There's no friction yet because the person isn't pushing. Then the person's going to contact the block, and they'll give it a forward force here. We'll call it just F. That force is 20 newtons, so how much static friction will there be in this situation? Well, we know that static friction can actually raise its level up to a certain maximum, and in this case that maximum is 40 newtons. So friction here will be able to oppose the push. I'll call that FF, whereas this one is FP for push. So the forces are balanced here. Now, how much work did the person do in 60 seconds? Well, if you look at the formula for work, you'll see that it's the force times the displacement times a cosine of the angle between. And so in this problem, even though the person pushed with 20 newtons for 60 seconds, they actually didn't move the object. And for that reason, the displacement here is going to be 0. And so even though we have a 20 Newton force, since we have a 0 meter displacement, no work gets done here.